Well, I did go down to go out in the boat. When I came in last time, the prop of the outboard hit a rock and it's sheared the shear pin. Just thinking about fixing it, and yeah, I don't think we'll be going out today. We'll still fix it though. When I came in with the dinghy, we hit a rock, and as the dinghy has no clutch, we'd have to say the shear pins shorn. Yep, there's a bit of shear pin there. Right, well, it did its job. Well, after all that, I looked more carefully because I couldn't see it because it was around the other way. I do have a spare, so I'll pop the proper one in and have a couple of homemade spares. Well, I don't have any more shear pins, but I do have these stainless steel machine screws, which are just slightly too big, so I would think application of this should get them to the right size. And the spears. Well, sometime later, one there and a couple of spears. Yeah, definitely no longer free spinning. Well, that's looking better. It's not very warm. I think winter is arriving.